Y'all, I decided to purchase my very first pair of Crocs. Listen, it took a lot. It took a lot. I told myself I was never going to own a pair of Crocs. Ew, no, those are the most hideous pair of shoes. It's your girl Shantice. Welcome back to With Love SB. If you're new here, hey bro, hey sis, come on in and join my little YouTube family. And if you're already subscribed, you already know I appreciate you all so much for your continued love and support. So I told myself I was never going to own a pair of Crocs. Ew, no, those are the most hideous pair of shoes I have ever seen. They are so unattractive. I'm not doing that. But as time continued to go on, I seen how comfortable they were, how convenient they were, how cute people were able to, customize them and things like that. And as you can see from the title of today's video, I am going to show you how I am going to customize them with my little JIBBITZ, how do you say it? I don't know, I'm still a newbie, so bear with me. But if that is something that you're interested in watching, be sure to stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, let's do our little unboxing. I decided to go ahead and purchase two pair of Crocs. Actually, I ordered them directly from the Croc website. So let's go ahead and open this packaging up and take a look inside. Now, if you can't tell already, I'm pretty much a neutral, earth tone, nude type of gal. And so when I thought about, okay, what? They have so many different colors. What am I going to get? I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and purchase some Crocs that I feel like I'll be able to wear pretty often based off of my wardrobe selection and the colors that I wear. So these are the classic white roomy fit right here. And then we also have the chocolate roomy fit as well. Don't really look brown. I don't know. On Instagram, I ran across a page. It was called Mackenzie Ray Creations. So I went ahead and ordered them. So we got the little JIBBITZ right here, and I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So as you can see, I am a size 9 in women, 7 in men. After doing some research and checking out all the reviews online, majority of the people who commented stated that Crocs run pretty true to size. I did hear that, the Crocs that has the fur on the inside, the winter Crocs or whatever, they run maybe a half a size or a whole size smaller. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off. Don't believe I'm going to be returning them at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tags off so that we can go ahead and start decorating these bad boys. All right, so I am a plant mom, so I couldn't go without purchasing this little plant right here. I thought it was absolutely adorable. So we're going to use that one right there. The next JIBBITZ that I decided to purchase is Melanin Magic. Listen, you know what time it is. Next JIBBITZ that I purchased is this candle right here. I thought this was absolutely cute. I am an advocate for self-care and aromatherapy, so this is perfect. Had to make sure I purchased this. Black Tinkerbell. Look how adorable she is. Ah! Love it. Next up, we have the melanated hearts here, the different tones of hearts. I thought this was super cute, so I went ahead and made sure I wanted to add this to my collection. And then last but not least, we have Dope Black Girl, because duh, that's what I am. I am the epitome of a dope black girl. All right, so let's get in a little closer. I'm a very visual person, so I'm just gonna try to pre-arrange them so I can get like a good idea of how I think I want it to look before I actually set everything in stone. I wanna just kind of play around with them. Let me give you a closer look. So yeah, I'm just going to play around a little bit, see where I think I like things to go before I, secure everything in place. So now that I have a pretty good idea of where I think I'm okay with having things, I'm just gonna go ahead and secure them in place. We're gonna start with this shoe first. Take them off. And I heard that it's really simple or pretty easy to, you know, secure them. So this is the back of the Jibbit, and you're supposedly just supposed to stick it over the hole that you want it to go in. I think I'm gonna put this one right here and turn it around this way. You put it on here, and it should be as simple as just snapping it in place. So let's give it a try. So hold it up, push it. Oh yeah, I just pushed it. It went right in. I'm sorry, I'm a newbie. I'm excited. So that one looks pretty good right there. We'll go ahead and finish decorating. Okay, yes, I think I'm satisfied with this for now, for the time being. Okay. So here we have it. My chocolate pair of Crocs, my very first pair of Crocs. I'm so excited. I think they're so cute. I think that I like them so much better now that I have the little Jibbitz on there. I don't think that I would have liked them as much without the decoration, but I love them. Tell me what you all think. Let me go ahead and show you all what they look like on my feet. But first things first, I have to put on some socks. I got these from the same place that I got the Jibbitz from, so I thought these were super cute. As you can see, I love all things nude, so I'm gonna put these on, try them out, see what it looks like. Okay, so great choice. These socks are super cute and super comfy. Let's go ahead and try them on. I absolutely love them. What do you think? Do you like them? I absolutely love them. They're nice, very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Now I see why everyone are fans. Yes. All right, my love. So I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you're interested in seeing a part 2 where I go ahead and customize my white pair of Crocs. I would love to hear your feedback. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thank you all so much. I will see you on the next video.